Guys, welcome back to my channel. Latest and beautiful crochet tulip flower plant pots and beautiful decorative ideas and decorative elements. Latest and stylish ideas with the tulip like pink and with the green with the leaves and different pink and red, white, blue, different tulip crochet plant pot ideas. Creating a crochet tulip plant pot is a delightful project that adds a touch of spring to your home decor. Here are a simple and different pattern to crochet one, and the wash weight yarn in green for the stem and leaves, and any color of your choice for the tulip crochet hook, and the latest ideas for your yarn weight pot or different pot cover to hold the plant, and the latest styles ideas. So I hope you like it. Stuff the tulip lightly with the beautiful ideas as a gifting way and as a decorative way. Home decoration, latest and beautiful styling. Feel free to ask for comment section. Enjoy your charming crochet tulip plant pot. You can experiment with